In this video, we are going to see a different type of question, that is matrix matching question. Actually, in this matrix matching question, more than one correct answer will also be there for a single question. Now move forward to the first question. If p and q are the roots of x square plus px plus q equal to 0, then what is the value of p here? Sometimes more than two values or three values will be there for a single question itself. Now check what is the value of p for this question. Here the equation is x square plus px plus q equal to 0. The roots be p and q. From the given equation we can write the value of a 1, b is p, c equal to q. Now sum of the roots will be p plus q equal to minus b by a. So substituting the values, minus p by 1, that is minus p. P plus q equal to minus p. Just consider this as first equation. Now pq, that is product of the roots, is c by a. Value of c and a is q by 1. So q. pq equal to q. This is second equation. Just see the second equation. pq, transforming this q, minus q equal to 0. Take the q as common, so p minus 1 equal to 0. Just segregate these two because these two in multiplication format. So q equal to 0, likewise p minus 1 equal to 0. Then here p equal to minus 1 transformed means it will be plus 1. I have got q equal to 0 and another one is p equal to 1. If suppose while substituting q equal to 0 in the another equation, I can get another one p value. Likewise, while substituting p equal to 1 in the another equation, I will get another q value. Substitute q equal to 0 in first equation. P plus q equal to 0. Now 2p plus 0 equal to 0. So 2p equal to 0, p equal to 0. Then substitute p equal to 1 in first equation. P plus q plus p equal to 0. P is 1, so 1 plus q plus 1 equal to 0. Q equal to minus 2. These are the values of p and q for this equation. Now we want only p values. So therefore p equal to 1 and p equal to 0. That is option B and option C. Here the second question, if 1 by 3 minus 4i is a root of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a, b, c belongs to R, a is not equal to 0, then a minus 25c equal to. With the help of this one root, we need to find out a minus 25c. Here a, c, b are the coefficients of the given quadratic equation. From this we can conclude that we will do with the product of the roots. Why? Because a and c can be involved in product of the roots alone. Now one of the root is 1 by 3 minus 4i. So definitely another root will be the conjugate of this, that is 1 by 3 plus 4i. Now product of the roots. So the formula is c by a. 1 by 3 minus 4i into 1 by 3 plus 4i equal to c by a. Multiply these two. So denominator is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a square, that is 3 square 9 minus 4i the whole square. So 1 by 9 minus 4 square is 16. 16 into I square is minus 1. Here already we are having minus, plus 16 equal to C by A. Cross multiply this. A equal to, while solving 9 plus 16, it will be 25. Transforming this, 25C. We need A minus 25 value. So A transforming this minus 25C equal to 0. So finally value of this will be 0. That is option B. This question is having only one correct answer, that is 0 alone, option B. Next question. The number of real roots of root of x minus 3 into x square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Here x belongs to R. From the given equation, find out number of real roots. So let the question be f of x. Root of x minus 3 into x square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. So we just separate these two, that is root of x minus 3 is multiplied with the quadratic equation is equated with the 0. So equating this separately, root of x minus 3 is equal to 0. Then x square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. Just see this squaring on both sides. So it will be x minus 3 equal to 0. Then x is equal to 3. 1 root, that is value of x is 1. Likewise, x square plus 7x plus 10 equal to 0. We just split this in a factorization method. So product value is 10 and the sum value is 7. So 5 2s are 10. While adding 5 and 2, we can get 7. So x plus 5 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So finally the x value is minus 5 comma minus 2. We got 3 values here, but we need to find out real roots alone. Note, if the value of a radicand is negative, then the roots are said to be imaginary number. Based upon this, the x value we have got here is 3, minus 5 and minus 2. Here the value of x, that is the radicand value, negative. So these two can be neglected because these two will be imaginary roots. So finally only one real root, that is x is equal to 3. Therefore only one real root, that is option C, 1. Next question. If 3 and 3 are the roots of x square plus ax plus beta equal to 0 and 8 and 2 are the roots of x square plus alpha x plus b equal to 0, then the roots of the equation x square plus alpha x plus beta equal to 0 are. Here they have given two equations. The first equation is x square plus ax plus beta equal to 0. Let the roots be, we can take the roots as alpha 1 and beta 1. Okay, from this we know the values of alpha 1 and beta 1, that is 3, right? 3 comma 3. So sum of the roots alpha 1 plus beta 1 equal to, that is minus coefficient of x. Here from the equation we can write a divided by coefficient of x square 1. So 3 plus 3 equal to minus a, then a equal to minus 6. Just rewritten this, you can get the value a. Likewise, product of the roots is alpha 1 into beta 1 equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square. So it can be written as beta by coefficient of x square is 1. So the roots are 3 and 3, right? 3 is multiplied with a 3 equal to beta. So the value of beta is 9. This is the values for the first equation. Now the second equation. Second equation is x square plus alpha x plus b equal to 0. The roots will be alpha 2, beta 2. They have given the roots, right? That is 8 comma 2. Now sum of the roots as usual, alpha 2 plus beta 2 equal to, from the equation we can write minus alpha by 1. So here 8 plus 2 equal to minus alpha. So finally alpha equal to minus 10. This is the value of alpha. Actually we want only the value of alpha and beta. Na? Just conclude here. We have got the alpha value, likewise beta value. So therefore the required quadratic equation, that is x square plus alpha x plus beta equal to 0. Substitute the values here. X square, value of alpha is minus 10, so minus 10x plus the value of beta is 9 equal to 0. After finding this equation, they want roots of this equation. So we need to find the roots by factorization method. That is, product value is plus 9, sum value is minus 10. Just segregate these two. How it will be? Shall we take a 9, 1 is 9. So 9, 1 is 9 itself. 9 and 1 is a, just give minus symbol for those two. So minus into minus plus 9. While solving this, minus 10 we have got. So finally it will be x minus 9 into x minus 1 equal to 0. Finally the value of x is positive 9 and positive 1. So option D and option C. This is the required answer for the last question. Option D and option C. Thank you.